All right, we're here with Jason VanDyke from Complete Roofing and Repair. How's it going, Jason?
Good. How you doing, Mark?
Good. Long time friend. It's been quite a while. We've known each other for quite a while. So
we have.
Jason is our guy that we send out for a ton of miscellaneous roof repairs. Small stuff all the way to the big stuff. You've got a couple locations. You've got Grand Rapids, and you're now in Traverse City.
We are. Yes, we're in Grand Rapids, Traverse City, and we are presently looking to move up into the Petoskey area.
Wow.
Yep. Get up by Charlevoix and Petoskey and move up that way.
I think you're just picking vacation spots.
It would be nice. It sounds good. So.
Yeah. Beautiful area up there. Yep. So we send you out for, like, we have a home inspection. The roof comes, the chimney flashing comes back. It's not flashed correctly. It either is leaking or could leak. You jump out there for us, kind of put your eyes on it. You're real responsive, usually out there a day later, checking it out and telling us, hey, it's a $500 fix, $300 fix. The vent pipe needs a new, sock over it, or whatever.
Yep.
You're really good about that. And then obviously the roofs that need to be replaced, you give us a quote and so on and so forth, and stay in touch with those clients to say, hey, 5 years down the road, you're probably going to need one. And so tell us a little bit about that.
So like you said, if, when you call, we pride ourselves on trying to get out fairly quickly. We don't want people, especially in the real estate world, you guys don't have weeks to wait or anything like that.
Right.
So we pride ourselves on doing that for both, you guys, but also just our everyday customers. Nobody wants a leaky roof and then wondering, when's it going to rain again? Is this going to happen? So we'll jump out on that. And then we're a very honest company. If we show up and, hey, somebody calls and says, I need an estimate for a new roof, or give me an idea, how long do I have? And we're going to be honest with you. We'll tell you the things that need to be fixed. We can repair any of that stuff. We'll take on projects of any size. So we don't mind just replacing the 1 or 2 shingles that have blown off, or fixing the pipe boot, reflashing the chimney, doing that stuff. But also, able to tell you, you need a new roof. This is what it's going to cost.
That's what we've really appreciated working with you. I mean, I've known Jason before before you owned the company and whatnot, but that's why we use you, is that you're going to tell us exactly, what it needs. The guy that comes out and says, oh, there's an opportunity to get a roof job out of this or something,
right.
Opposed to, hey, $200-$300, $500, $750 here, you can patch this and get it going. But obviously, we just lost our screen. But that's honesty, integrity. That's the people we work with, and we appreciate working with people like that. What are some of the most common people, the novice looking at their roof? Is there anything they can tell, like what they should be, when it needs to be replaced? Or
a couple of the things are, like with the old 3-tab roofs that you have, a lot of times the corners will start to curl up when they start to get a little bit older. So if you notice that the roof is curling, if you notice that you're starting to see the fiberglass showing around, so every shingle is made, or the majority of shingles are fiberglass. Okay. And it starts as a fiberglass mat that has the asphalt sprayed over top of it. If you start to see that fiberglass showing through, which you can see from the ground, that's a pretty good sign that things are starting to wear out, get a little bit thin. And then the other thing is just to simply give us a call. Like I said, all of our estimates are free. Give us a call, have us come out and take a look at it, and we'll give you an estimate as what it's going to take. But if we think that you have life left, we'll let you know, hey, do this or this or this to buy yourselves this much time, and we'll shoot you straight as far as that goes. So really, not everybody likes heights, not everybody likes a ladder or even owns a ladder, so it can be difficult to tell from the ground. But if you're starting to have those questions, give us a call and we'll come out and take a look at it for you.
Sure. We just had today, and we'll be calling you actually on this if Renee hasn't already. We had a house down in Kalamazoo covered with moss. It's the garage, it wasn't the house. But is there something that you can put on that will take that away?
There is, yep. There is a moss spray that can be used. It kills just the moss, so it is completely safe for any of your landscaping, anything that's underneath it. You know, you spray it on within 2 or 3 days. It kills all the moss. If it's extremely heavy, you might need to have it brushed off, but for the most part, a few good hard rains will wash all of it off and take care of that for you.
Okay. And I'm trying to think like the, you know, the wind damage, things like that. I know like when we call you sometimes after we've had heavy winds, it's like, oh, getting on Jason's calendar on then's a little difficult. But is there any, I mean, preventive maintenance that folks could do? You know, and there really isn't. I mean, wind is wind.
There's not. That's exactly it. Wind is wind. You know, we're not a storm chaser, so if the wind does blow a bunch of shingles off, you have to call us. We're not going to come knocking on your door.
Sure.
You know, we don't chase it, but a lot of people do. But no, as far as anything to try to prevent that, any preventative maintenance or anything like that, there's really not anything that's going to help with that.
You just brought up something that I didn't think of till just now. Is any of this homeowner's insurance covered or not? Mother Nature is not covered.
Mother Nature is typically covered by your homeowners. Yes.
Okay.
Yep. So if you do have homeowners, you will want to make a phone call. I mean, it's at least get your insurance company out there to take a look at it. Just like us with free estimates, they're not going to charge you anything to send an adjuster out to take a look at it.
So it's worth a call.
It is definitely. You do want to be careful with some of the storm chasers. There are some people out there who will make a lot of promises, who will do a lot of pressure sales. They'll make a lot of promises and try to get you to sign up with them right then, only to come back and find out that you signed up for a whole new roof, but your insurance company is only going to pay to take care of what needs to be done.
Sure.
You know, so it's just something to be careful of and watch out for. There are some people who will go after that stuff.
Good. Okay. Yeah, I mean, we haven't had too many of the projects go that bad where homeowners were involved and whatnot with the stuff that we've worked with, but I guess I didn't think of that. It's covered. So.
Yeah, another thing as far as insurance goes is when you do put a new roof on your house, you want to make a phone call to your insurance company and let them know. A lot of insurance companies will give you a break adjust your rates for having the new roof put on. Yes.
Good point too. Real good point. Save some money there.
Yep.
All right.
For sure.
Well, I'm trying to think like and you cover commercial. You cover all aspects. If anybody has, we've got a big network of people. So you do commercial too.
We do. We'll shingle anything. Like I said, we don't mind coming out and doing the one shingle tab or fixing a pipe boot, doing the small $150 repair, all the way up to handling full commercial size projects.
Condo projects.
Just this morning we started a big church, so we can do condos, we can handle churches, apartments, any of that thing, there are people out there who don't like the small stuff. We'll take care of all of it because we know that for one, it needs to be done. Somebody has to do it, but also it'll lead to more business in the future. And one nice thing is our salesmen all still carry ladders on the trucks.
Okay.
There are a lot of people getting away from it right now. They simply give you a price on your roof off from all the aerial measurements and satellite pictures that they take. That's, we still use all that technology. It makes life easier, but we still like to come to your house, take a look at your landscaping, anything else that might pop up that you just don't see from a picture. Plus, then while we're there, we can get on your roof and take care of some repairs and do some small things for you while we're there too.
Yeah, we've really appreciated that. Like I can tell, over the years, I'm like, oh man, this is like literally $100 job. I feel bad calling you. Like, no problem.
Yep. Nope. So, one of the things we like to think sets us apart. That with our honesty and just how we handle the business as a whole.
Definitely, that's what keeps us coming back. So that's Jason VanDyke. Just wanted to spend a few minutes with him. If you're watching this video, there's a good chance we just recommended him to you as well. So this is who you'll be seeing potentially, or some of his teammates. But thanks for coming out and spending some time.
Appreciate it. Thanks,
All
Mike.
right, thanks.